Mabuhay mahal ta ng mga kasamang guro. Ngayon naman ay talakayin natin ang retitling of existing field positions to positions in the ECP system. The existing positions with titles that do not conform to the position titles in the ECP system shall be retitled to the positions of equivalent SGs in the ECP system. Ano-ano po yung mga positions na pwede pong i-retitle na hindi po nagko-conform sa ating pong bagong ECP? Una po, ang Head Teacher 1. Ire-retitle po ito to Teacher 4 with salary grade 14. Head Teacher 2 will be retitled to Teacher 5, salary grade 15. Head Teacher 3, Teacher 6 with salary grade 16. Head Teacher 4, Teacher 7, salary grade 17. Head Teacher 5, Assistant School Principal 1, and Assistant Special School Principal 1 to Master Teacher 1 with a salary grade 18, Special School Principal 1, Assistant School Principal 2, and Head Teacher 6 will be retitled po to School Principal 1 or Master Teacher 2, provided po na ang incumbent ay pumasa sa National Qualifying Exam for School Heads o yung commonly known as Principal's Test. Isa pa rin po sa mga posisyon na ire-retitle ay ang Special School Principal 2 at Assistant School Principal 3 to be